on, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, help yourself.
Don't get moved. I don't even know what's the number for 911. Okay, cool. Oh, here we go.
Come on, bud. Just come through. Come on.
He's not working with
He
you.
doesn't want it. Come on.
Oh, he's coming.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. He's coming. He's coming.
Come on.
Get
Come on,
that
just
leg
a little bit more, bud.
His back leg's up.
Come on. One more.
Go on. Take a rest, take a rest. His back leg is out and has a log under it.
I know, this sucks. One more.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, buddy. You gotta work with us.
Come on. Hold on. His back leg is out. He's just exhausted.
Just one more leg.
I can feel him shivering through his ball. Okay, I got it good. I got it good.
Come on, bud. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Lost it.
Come on, bud. Come on. You gotta work with us.
Come on.
I'm scared to wrap my hand in this cord because if he takes off.
Yeah. Don't wrap your hand.
No! Come on! Yeah, come on!
Watch out!
Come on, bud!
He's good, he's good, he's going, he's going, he's going, run!
There you go, buddy! No, give me that cord.
Oh, careful, careful.
Yes! He's good, man. He's good. We come up here into our spot this morning and there was a bull elk. We could see his antlers on the top of the hill. And we come up here and he was buried, stuck in this mud hole. A young bull. And we can't leave him like that. And so we had some paracord and we wrapped it around his antlers, just a loop. It didn't cinch down, it'll just pull right off. And it took everything we had, but we got him out. Our hands are all bruised from that cord. My arm's sore. I took a jab right in the leg from his antler. But he's free. And he'll live. He's gonna be tired though.